Hey, this is Share Hollywood Maintenance. I just want to shoot this video. Here at a work order, sink's clogged. This side's flowing good. This side won't go down. The disposal's working. See? That tells me down here, it's stuck right about here. So, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try using this plunger. I'm going to set up my video, see if I can show you what I do. Alright, I'm going to hold this side with my right hand. Then I'm going to try to use this with my left. It's easier if you have two people. Alright, that doesn't seem like it's going to be working, so I'm going to come down here. Alright, move some of this stuff out of the way. Is if this side's flowing, that tells me that it's clogged, and it's probably clogged right here. Let's see. Take off this one first. This I want to get our paper towels wet. gunk in here. That's all it was. I'm gonna go clean this up. See, now it's clear. Go clean this up in the bathroom. Hook everything back up. Alright, I got the pipe back on. As you can see here. Now I'm just gonna run some water. Make sure it's flowing through and there's no leaks. Make sure I got them all nice and tight. See, it's leaking. I must have messed up somewhere. Okay, look for any leaks. This one was a little cockeyed earlier. This side right here. As you can tell, it looks a little bit crooked, but I didn't do the install. Just here to make it better. Let me try the other side now. I'm gonna need some water. Already did this side. I need some water. Did this side earlier. Now I'm doing this side. Put the splash guard back. Looking good. Now I'm going to do the plunge test. Okay, fill this side up. Could be both sides. Stop stoppers on both sides. Once it fills up, I'll get back with you. Alright, see, I got one side filled up. Filling up the other side. See if there's any leaks. Turn on the disposal. Not seeing anything. Now I'm going to pull the other side over here. No leaks. Alright. Thought I'd shoot a video on this, so that's it. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.